another cooking video. We're going to be doing another cooking video. Great food because we had such nice feedback. So I hope you enjoy the video.
Hi, we're making calamari skewers today. Potatoes and chips and salad because we need them. Thank you for all your comments and likes on our last food video.
Today we're going to be making chips, salad and skewers and tzatziki. If you're Greek, you know.
Let's start cooking.
First we're going to marinate the pork skewers with olive oil, oregano and salt. That's mixed together. Always be generous with olive oil. Put all of it. Make sure the meat is all covered in the marinade. Meanwhile, my sister is cutting the potatoes.
This is how I peel potatoes.
We also have these kebabs that you don't need to marinate. And also I forgot to say you need to preheat the oven to 200.
With fan and grill.
With fan and grill. Next, when your oven is heated up, you're going to place the meat onto the tin foil like this. The time can vary with skewers, so just keep an eye on them.
Look at the octopus potato.
We use this to cut our potatoes. It keeps them in good shape, and it always goes like this, bang, like that. There we go. There we go. Nice shape. Put them in the bowl.
Can I do this potato more?
So you're going to cut the potato like this and you're going to stab it down. And then after you're going to put the lid on, like this. And then you're just going to bang. Like that. And then it should be ready. Like that. Easy peasy. Look, the perfect French fry.
Now it's my turn.
I'll do it. Like that. All done.
Whoa, good job.
Some chippies.
Some chippies.
There we go.
Now the chips are cut, we'll put them in the chip fryer.
Hot oil. You got to be very careful because it's hot.
Ready, steady, go!
Oh, hot. Nice and hot. Just to let you know, we've turned all the skewers around. Whilst the chips are cooking and the meat are cooking, my sister's going to make salad, I'm going to make tzatziki. Let's go.
Salad time! Look out my massive tomato! Make sure your vegetables have been washed. First we're going to start chopping the tomato through the middle. First I've cutted my tomato. I'm ready to put it in my bowl. That looks delicious. To start, we peel on the cucumber.
Hashtag Greek style. Our chippies are ready.
Leo cutting the salad still?
Oh,
Watch your fingers.
Okay. Normally we have onions and we've run down.
Okay, so what are you going to put on it?
Some olive oil.
What's that, Cleo?
Olive oil.
Try not to spill it.
This side?
That's it. Perfect. And some salt.
Add sprinkle the salt in.
A little bit more.
Wow. Enemy!
Tzatziki time. First we can start by grating the cucumber and obviously we washed it. Now that we've grated grated the cucumber, we're going to start by putting the yogurt in the bowl. Greek yogurt, by the way. More. Now that you've put as much yogurt as you want in the bowl, we're going to take the cucumber. The trick is to squeeze it so the juice comes out and then into the bowl.
The kebab is ready, but the pork needs a little bit more time. Be careful when cleaning out the oven because your mum should be there.
Once you've added the cucumber, you're going to want to grate the garlic and about 3 cloves of garlic. Once you've put in the garlic and the cucumber, you're going to want to add some oil. Nice. A lot. And then obviously some salt. Not a lot. Like that. And then you're just going to want to mix and then you'll see the results at the end.
Who's going to do the taste tester?
Me.
Me.
Both.
Both of you.
Mum, I went.
We're going to do the taste testing. Amazing. Always.
Final results.
And if you have any requests of like what to make, put it in the comments and we'll look at them.